Hey everybody, it's Aunt Cathy here with a sewing tip. I use soap slivers quite a bit when I'm sewing my denim aprons to, put a mark where I want to put a line of stitching. Well, I ran out the other day and I grabbed this thing. It was an old piece that came out of one of my grandmother's sewing boxes, and I thought it was a soap sliver. So I started marking my aprons, and when I went to wipe it off with a damp rag, it didn't come out, and I was panicked because my aprons were due. Well, then I remembered reading something about some of the marking chalks having some waxy component to it. Mom always taught me to get crayon out of a piece of fabric or something, by using an iron. So I got my iron and I pressed on that place on my denim aprons that had that mark on it, and it just came out just like that. So that's the tip for today. If you have a marking chalk for your sewing and it has a little bit of a waxy hand to it, it will feel a bit like soap. Warm iron will take that out for you just like that. And that's all, and thanks a lot for watching, and please subscribe. Bye-bye.